Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to determine who is the current user in our Linux system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. If we want to know who is the user of our current system, there is a command in Linux called who am I. So to know how to use this command, we use the word man space who am I. Press the enter key from our keyboard. So it will who am I print effective username. Okay. So in this case, I will type who am I. So the current user, in my case me, is Jaker. That's simple. Now, so if you ask me what is the benefit of knowing who is the user, is that it can be used now to determine when you are using the system in the server or a standalone in a network in Linux, who is the current user when they log in no, in their account. So that's it guys. Now this is our very short video for today to check who is the current user in our Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much again for the support in my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.